Hello, Lockpicking Paul recently did a video on a lock very similar to this. In fact, the keys, it's the main feature for both me and him. The key bow is absolutely beautiful. It's a CES, it's made in Germany. We both got the locks from another member of the UK Locksport Forum, Jason34. You've probably heard both of us mention his name many times in the past. He's one of the most generous people that I know. He was one of the biggest influences on me carrying on, trying to learn lockpicking. If it wasn't for him, I probably would have given up. He very kindly just sent me a package of locks that were totally suitable to my stage in the learning process. This is a later lock that he sent me. Anyway, me and Paul had a quick chat about maybe releasing a video at exactly the same time, but we decided that the two locks were significantly different enough to not bother doing that. I won't be gutting mine on this because as with so many locks that I get from people off the forum, it does hold a great deal of sentimental value, and it does have this continuous circlip, which would mean breaking it, and I don't really want to do that. It's as I say, it's something that I treasure, and it sits on the shelf, and I pick it every so often. Anyway, so this is my video of picking the lock. A little bit different to Paul's. Mine has the passive pins on the side. I think they're ball bearings, in all fairness, for key control, and it has a different bit in, which is absolutely terrific. It's not a hard lock to pick. The keyway makes it look a lot harder than it is, but there's holes through the warding that with not that one, in all fairness, with a nice steep hook like this, nice pointy end. It's my Moki hook. You can fit nicely through there, and it picks quite well. As always, my picking of it, which I have done in a separate video to add to this, terrible. I am so bad at picking on camera, but this is the game, so I hope you enjoy seeing me pick it. Thanks a lot, and thanks to Paul for offering to wait for me to possibly do it as a dual video. Cheers. Okay, works perfectly. There's the bit in. Let's see how we got on with picking it on video. Okay, moved it into a nice full set. Okay, just nudged pin 4. Going to rotation of 2. Okay, as you can see, progressively deeper full set. we go. And it's open. For some reason I had a bit of a struggle finding the last spool there. Me, camera shy. Anyway, there you go. That's my CES with an absolutely stunning key. Thanks.